So part two of this week's project, or this section, which is called First Iteration, is to just find something out of that 24 panels that feels right. We played around with really shrinking it down to 3 panels, 4 panels, 5 or 6 or something. And after just a couple exercises like that, it sort of gives us a sense of some of the core elements that are there. And what I wound up doing is taking mine and shrinking it down to about, I think, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So out of 24 panels, I trimmed it down to 13. And I also mixed it, I see, up a bit. I've got panel 1, 8, 12, 3, 5, 13, 14, 17, 18, 23, 20, 21, 24. So I've changed the order, and this is what I've come up with. And that's all we need to do. So when I say come up with a first iteration, it's just like, okay, this is my story. This is what came out. This is what I think is working. And our next section will be to tinker with that, to apply just a tiny bit of structure to that, and then to make a plan for really finishing it. And that's all we're going to do next. This was the hardest part. You've already passed the hardest part of that project, and now it's really feels good and easy from here on in.